What's up guys, I'm here in my Model Y Juniper and I just changed out the wheel covers on my car for the very first time. I had the original wheel covers that comes with every Tesla standard, and I thought I'd do an upgrade on the car. Very easy upgrade to do, which is cool as well. And I got some really cool wheel covers from EB Base sent out to me. And these wheel covers look a lot more mean and sporty than the original wheel covers. I still really like the original wheel covers, but these definitely give it that edge to make it look a little more stealthy, mean, sporty kind of look, in my opinion. And I'm going to show you guys the before of what that looked like with the original wheel covers and the after. They were very easy to install. It comes with some rubber trim that you put around the edge of the wheel cover just for that extra safety protection for not scratching anything and stuff like that. And it was very easy to install. It also comes with a tool to pop off the old wheel covers, but you can use it to pop off those wheel covers as well. So you can pop off any wheel covers with this tool, which is really nice that they included that because it makes it a million times easier to remove the old wheel covers. And just be careful not to, break anything, but it's very easy to do. You just pop them off and you're good to go. You just pop in the new wheel covers once you put that rubber trim around and they're installed. So it's really easy upgrade to your Tesla Model Y Juniper, which I really like. It comes with some caps. It comes with some Tesla caps and then some blank caps. And I took full advantage of the blank caps, and I actually used my laser engraver to engrave Capsule Corp on all those caps. I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan, Dragon Ball Super, anything Dragon Ball, I'm a fan. The Capsule Corp is a tech company in the anime, and Tesla is a tech company, so I thought that it would be a really cool symbol to put on there just to show that I'm a Dragon Ball fan in case anybody sees it or whatever. I thought it was cool, so I put that on there. So that's why you see the Capsule Corp logo on my wheels when you see the after. So here's the before and then here is the after. Let me know what you guys think, but I think it looks awesome. And it is from EB Base, these wheel covers, and they have a lot of different Tesla products that you can get there in case you want to upgrade your Model Y Juniper. So they have a ton of options, very good deals. They are also on Amazon, so if you want to just shop on Amazon for these same exact wheel covers that I have, I'll put them down in the description below. But I definitely recommend you go to EB Base to check out all the other products that they have. You can use PRIMEOFF to get 20% off on every product they have there for your Tesla. So anyways guys, it's just a quick video to let you guys know about these wheel covers. Really like them. I think it looks mean, stealthy. You can always switch them back if you choose to switch back for whatever reason, so that's nice. It's an easy upgrade, and they are very affordable in my opinion for a really cool upgrade to your Tesla Model Y Juniper. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.